And myself, Dr. Samiksha Tyagi. I came to Elegance Vidyalaya Surat to learn hair transplant from Dr. Ashutosh Shah sir. Here you will not only learn hair transplant as a surgery, but you will learn fine tricks and how to improvise. As a plastic surgeon, all of us know that how to do hair transplant, but here you will learn all the practical aspects, how you can improve your practice. Other thing which is very important over here is that you will get to learn non-surgical aspects of hair management as well. I must say that Dr. Ashutosh Shah sir is a great teacher, and it becomes very comfortable while interacting with him. And if you keep your eyes open, there are not many things happening all around you which you can learn, and you just need to ask your queries and sir is there to help you. One more thing which is very important and which I found very useful is, apart from all those clinical things, you will get to know about the financial management, the GST aspect, the social media management, all those things and many more. So it is worth spending 5 days over here. It was a great experience taking out 5 days time and learning from here. I think it will definitely help all of those who are coming here for hair transplant workshop. Thank you.